We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up USD, PHP. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We're going to head over to price action. We are on the monthly time frame. Last candle in the market is a doji. Let's see where the market's coming from. Market's coming from this low here. We have some type of pattern, which is like the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, W formation, breakout. Market came back to retest. First push, second push. Okay, price action. Just broke this high. You're gonna see we're gonna get a break and retest of this level here, and then price is headed up to the next level. It's on this side over here. So what we're gonna do is price action. So price really just has to break this wick. Body gonna have to close above this wick. Market can go up. Price action low. Let's grab the area right beneath that, and we're looking for price to head up to somewhere in this area here. So in the area is price, we're gonna see the price gonna get respected for that W, that's single bottom, that retest, that market gonna push that market up, or is that market is doing a first leg, second leg, third leg, drop it down for that fourth leg in this area here for that M, and you're gonna have to figure out what's gonna happen from there, or will it be a drop down, the market consolidate that area? Headed down to the weekly time frame. So there's a full area of support here. Let's go back to the monthly. So when we head down to the weekly, everything is tagging up through the area of these wicks. We're going to have to tag these wicks so we can create that area of support. Headed back to the weekly, and now we got our support level supported with our SR line. So let's see what we see. I see two W's in this area of price action. Last candle in the market is a doji, which is a indecisive candle. You gotta wait for engulfing pattern. It's gonna engulf this area to the upside for that breakout. So also market price at a resistance. So we look for that breakout and retest. Patterns I see in the area is the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. I have a W in that area here. Market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, came back down. So we have a W or M at the high, another W at the low, and then market pushed up. So what we're looking for is that retest in that area for that market to break up the next level. If not, market's coming back down to the area of consolidation. Headed down to the daily time frame. Okay, in that area, we figure out we have a W at that low. And when the market pushed up, let's see what's going on near price. Now price has to break not just the SR line, but breaks the previous candles, break the previous wicks of the candles, the second last candle, third, and the fourth last candle. So you want to body a price action, close above this market, push that market up. So until then, you're going to see how many candles are going to work its way up for that breakout of this area here. So market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, market's pushing up for that third time. So it's some type of W pattern that's in that area of structure. W. The market's working its way for the incline. Going to see if we're going to get the break. So something like a wedge pattern, incline wedge, probably identified while we're walking down a time frame. Headed down to the 4. Okay, so here we do have the incline wedge pattern is right here located, or incline trend. Okay, so market's just bouncing back and forth. Oh no, that is a wedge. come to think about it, because that's the wedge right here. So resistance lines connected with the support. Market drop down to the low, work this way up, and is in that wedge. So we look for that breakout of that high, or that because the market's going to come back down. So as market being in that area of resistance for that wedge pattern, we look for that break and retest. So market did break. It looked like it did. Could be the retest. We're going to see if that market's going to push up. So market price is trying to create the area near support. We see if it's going to push up, continue on. But once market price makes it back up to the break and retest, if it breaks to the break and retest, market price has to break to this level here. See if there's probably another break and retest for that market to break up further. Or it might just be just full breakout. Headed down to a 3 hour. Okay, consolidation on the 3. Market's starting to consolidate in that area for that incline, for that breakout we're looking for. Headed down to the 2. Something like an engulfing pattern. Look like it's about to form. Price create an area of support, engulfing pattern. Market is like it's about to shoot up. Headed down to the 1. Same 2 is 1 extension. See step 3 spike down to that low, coming down in red, coming up in white, in double bottoms. Have a 3 pushes down to that low. That markets look like it's about to push up. Look at that bullish candle. Once market close out this area here, the market going up. If not, it'll be in that range of that consolidation, just bouncing up and down until we get that breakout. 45, 1, 2, 1, 45, identifying the same thing, essential candles. 30 as well. This chart is becoming broken up, so you can still see that area consolidation, this area here. Headed down to the 5. Okay, so market gets something spiked up here. So market is looking all scattered around, so we can't really read the market on 5, 3, and 1. So we're just gonna stop at 15, or maybe nope, that's not what we want to stop at. Maybe at 30, the 30-minute time frame for USD, PHP. We can clearly see engulfing pattern. Anything below 30 minutes is too choppy. Maybe it may clear up later on, maybe not. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, look for patterns in the market. The pattern that we have right in front of us is the W. So we can identify we have the first leg coming down to area of support. 1 bottom, 2 bottoms. These are the area of support. You have that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed up for that 4th. Broke the midline. This is price action areas here. Say price is here. Midline, lowest low, highest high. Market did the W. Hit the midline, break and reach. That's most likely happened in this area. The market came up to a high. Very important information, guys. Please study and review the breakout and retouch strategy. We can clearly see when the market is in that uptrend, we look for that market to break the resistance line. It just did. Came back to return. That's the retest. The market pushed up at the engulfing pattern. This candle engulfed that area over here, which pushed that market up after a few retests in the market. So market consolidated for that breakout. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. USD, PHP.